Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a warm, inviting glow that transforms your space into a nighttime oasis, without spiking your energy bill. Welcome to our guide on modern outdoor lighting ideas, where we'll explore solar-powered garden lights and the best fixtures to elevate your home's exterior. From chic string lights to sleek pathway lanterns, we'll cover trends, budget-friendly tips, and space-saving designs to create a stunning outdoor vibe. Let's start with solar-powered garden lights, a game-changer for eco-conscious homeowners. These lights harness the sun's energy, cutting costs while adding charm. Look for stake-style solar lanterns with warm LED bulbs to line pathways or flower beds. They're easy to install and come in weather-resistant designs, perfect for any climate. Pair them with natural elements like stone or wood for a cohesive look that blends modern and rustic styles, making your garden feel effortlessly elegant. Transitioning to trends, minimalist lighting dominates outdoor decor. Think sleek, geometric fixtures in matte black or brushed gold. These bold yet simple designs complement modern, farmhouse or bohemian homes. Wall-mounted sconces with clean lines can frame your patio, while low-profile solar spotlights highlight trees or architectural features. Choose fixtures with dimmable settings to adjust the mood, ensuring your space feels inviting for both lively gatherings and quiet evenings. 4 budget-friendly ideas. Mix high and low-cost elements to maximize impact. Affordable solar string lights draped over a pergola or fence create a cozy, festive atmosphere without wiring hassles. Combine these with a few statement pieces, like a sculptural floor lantern, to add sophistication. Shop second-hand marketplaces for vintage-inspired fixtures to save money while adding character. This approach keeps your outdoor space stylish and unique without breaking the bank. Space optimization is key, especially for smaller yards or balconies. Vertical lighting solutions like wall-mounted solar panels or hanging pendant lights save ground space while adding height and drama. Consider multifunctional fixtures, such as solar-powered table lamps that double as plant stands. These clever designs work for compact urban patios or sprawling suburban gardens, ensuring every inch of your outdoor area is both functional and beautifully illuminated.